Ladies and gentlemen, today is April 2nd, and you already know what time it is. It is day 2 of the April Daily LeetCode Challenge. And today's question is question 205, Isomorphic strings. Given two strings, S and T, determine if they are isomorphic. Two strings, S and T, are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get T. All occurrences of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. No two characters may map to the same character, but a character may map to itself. This question is actually really tricky. It took me a while to even understand what they are asking of me to do, but once you reread it a couple of times, you're going to get it. It is probably one of the trickiest easy questions I've ever done. I had to eat on it. I got a wrong answer 3 times. I went to take a lunch break, come back, and then got it because it was so tricky. So, the intuition behind solving this problem is you definitely need a mapping, obviously. You want to map each character from S to T. So a mapping is a no-brainer. And we also need a set or a list to handle this edge case here where it says no two characters may map to the same character. So how we can do this. So my solution is we have to iterate through all elements in S, create a mapping from S to T, add T elements to set, and we just have to handle the constraints. So no two characters may map to the same character, and the same S characters cannot map to different T characters. And the runtime of this solution is O of n. It's a linear runtime. We just iterate through S from start to finish, and we will have our answer. And the space is, I want to say O of n. We're going to use a mapping that is going to be n space, and we're going to have a scene set that's going to be also n space. So that just reduces to just O of n space. So let's start coding. Our hash map is just a empty dictionary, and our scene is our set for index character in enumerate S if character in hash map and hash map character not equal to T of index. So if we already mapped the S character and our mapping is not correct with our current element, then we can return false because that is one of the constraints that we have to handle. And the other constraint is if character not in hash map and T of index in scene return false. So no two characters may map to the same character. So if our S character is not in the hash map, but the T character is already seen before, then we could just return false because, as the question says, no two characters may map to the same character. And then we just have to create our mapping. So hash map of character is equal to t of index and scene.add t of index. And then return true at the end. And that is my solution. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 lines. Oh no, my Wi-Fi went off, huh? Oh no, my Wi-Fi went off. Hang on. Okay, we back. Run code. Okay, submit. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. This has been Isomorphic Strings. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.